Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Authenticator. You will click on settings. In this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Authenticator and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.